Hello everybody, good morning. My name is Teacher Omar Correa and this is the video that I prepared for Classroom 81 and Classroom 82. We're going to study present simple, questions, and short answers. Okay, so pay attention please. Do or does? Do and does have a yes or no answer. Always, when the questions start with do or does, they're always going to be answered with a yes or a no. And the structure of the question is the auxiliary do or does. The pronoun with do is I, you, we, and they. The question and the answer. Check the answer. We have two possible answers. Or is positive, yes, I do, or it's negative, no, I do not or don't, which is the same situation. And then we have the formation for the auxiliary form does. We use does with the third person, he, she, or it, and the question. Okay. We also have a yes or no answer. Remember, do and does have a yes or no answer. Example, does he get up early? Yes, he does. Or no, he does not or doesn't. It's the same. You can use the contraction form or you can use the full form. It's absolutely correct. WH question words. WH question words. Questions that start with a WH question word always ask for information. Always. Every time you see a question with a WH question word, that means that you cannot answer with the yes or no. That means that you have to answer with information. Really important. WH question word always ask for information. Example, what time does he get up? He gets up at 9 a.m. Where does he come from? He comes from Mexico. How often do you visit your mom? Very often, like twice a week. As you can see, in all these questions, we are requiring for information. The last example, which language do you speak? I speak English. Remember, questions that start with a WH question word are always asking for information. Always. I have an example of WH question words. The most common are what, where, when, who, why, and which. Those are the most popular question words that we have out there. And to finish the video, I have a small game. You can play it by yourself, or you can play it with your classmates, or even with your family. If you have brothers or sisters, you can play this game as well. Okay, so what is the purpose of this game? The purpose is to help the swimmer get to the beach. The swimmer is by the ocean having troubles. So how are you gonna get to the beach? By answering correct to the different questions. All these questions are WH question words. See, we see questions like where, questions with who, questions with when, questions with why. Okay, so those are WH question words. You need information to ask. For example, what protects our skin from the sun? What protects our skin from the sun? Sunblock. Okay. Another example, where do you swim? And you see a picture of a place that you can swim. The answer is a pool. Okay, so this is kind of how you're gonna do the game. You're gonna advance when you answer the question correctly. Okay, so I have to say goodbye. Hope to see you soon in class. And nothing. Remember that you have questions, write them down and ask them in class. Bye bye. See you soon.